Planning a week of meals often feels like a second job, but AI is starting to handle the heavy lifting. Instead of scrolling through recipes or guessing portions, you can now describe your dietary preferences, available ingredients, and time constraints to a language model. The AI cross-references nutritional databases, suggests balanced combinations, and even adjusts for leftovers or overlapping ingredients. Some tools generate a single shopping list organized by grocery aisle, while others can adapt for specific diets like keto, vegan, or low FODMAP. The real power lies in iteration. You can ask for a high-protein version or swap out a meal if you're tired of chicken. The output is a structured plan that respects your actual schedule, not a generic template. What makes this useful is the reduction in decision fatigue. By offloading the repetitive calculations to an AI, you free up mental energy for cooking and enjoying the food. The takeaway is that AI meal prep tools don't just save time, they help you eat more consistently by removing the planning friction that often derails good intentions.